Hey guys, it's Wanda from Crazy Days. I got the shock of my life today. And no, it wasn't I found the skunk. That's been dealt with a couple of days ago, but let me show you. It's hot out here. That sun is hot, hot, hot. Let me show you what I found. Guys, this is my turkeys. We got these when we got our meat birds, and we got meat turkeys. Actually, we got 15 meat turkeys, and in shipping, it took them an extra day. And so, yeah, one of them likes to take a bath in the water. So that's why we have these waters. I was fixing to change their water. So they get over in the water that I've got over here, and they cool their feet off, and they must poop in it. I don't know, go figure. But anyway, we got 15 meat turkeys. They were shipped, and they were extra day in shipping, and all of them but 3 passed away. So we only had 3 turkeys. We contacted the company, and they gave us 40 meat chickens in place. Well, we processed 40 meat chickens a month or 2 ago, and these were supposed to have been processed probably at least a month ago. Let me show you something. These are meat turkeys, right? You said you're not a meat turkey? One of you's not a meat turkey. Look what I found. I actually have a first turkey egg. So one of my meat turkeys is not a meat turkey. You like taking a bath, don't you? I gotta turn the hose on. They actually like me to spray them with the hose when it's hot like this. So I come out and I spray them down. You see how they're breathing? They want their cool water. So guys, sometimes your meat birds might turn into a egg-laying bird. Just saying. Now to figure out which one's which, we got a mama. Thank you from Crazy Days.